That looks way better than before.
It really does.
This will be the truth right here.
Yup.
Woo! Yeah!
Dude,
That's what we
good.
do.
Oh, man.
Right, board for the win, dude.
Oh, man.
Board for the win.
Okay, pulleys.
Right here.
Break the bolts, but I mean, if the bolts break, it ain't gonna tear up anything. They besides the bolts itself.
This ain't going nowhere. Dude.
It's on there.
It's on there. It's held by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. What is this?
That's the one from 2011.
Oh, okay, yeah. 2011.
Alright.
So you really think these two?
That's a big blower.
2200. SL. Give that bitch a spin.
Hey.
Not a turbo. Hell yeah. For the people in the comments, this is not a turbo.
You know what? That's not it.
What?
Okay, hold on, what does it say? Oh yeah, that it is,
You gotta fill it.
it already has, the supercharger has been factory pre-filled with special synthetic lubricant. Oil does not need to be added to a brand new unit.
Good.
However, a fluid level check should be performed.
Yeah, but we can do that after.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I take this off?
This goes right there.
Yep.
Oops, sorry.
There you go.
And then this will go around the blower itself. That doesn't go like that. We'll have to loosen the
Okay.
whole assembly and put it over that. But where's those bolts at? All right.
Wow.
Take them out there.
Wow.
Put them in.
Wow.
It's going in. Man.
That's all I gotta say.
That's a big boy.
That's big. Oh yeah, that's big.
Take a step back. Take a step back.
Yeah,
There, there.
okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
That looks cool.
Wow.
That does look cool.
Alright. I will give Paxton that. They do look cool. Instructions may be terrible.
Yeah,
but
man.
They look good.
Dude, what?
They look damn good.
Oh my, dude, when you look at it from this, oh my. You sure it's not gonna?
Make me want to sell my BMP now.
Dude, look at that on camera, dude.
That looks
That bitch just pop. I
looks
didn't think it was that big, to be honest.
This is big.
It is huge.
I honestly didn't
I
think.
didn't think it went down that far. What is this?
Is it, am I going up?
That was Miko.
What? Yeah.
And there's one more on the other side too after that.
Yeah, with me, right.
Yeah, I had the wrench one, so I have the wrench one in my mom's house.
Well.
Oh yeah, they hungry. They out here looking for murder.
Murder.
That's what the instructions say.
Wait a minute, what does it look like, y'all?
Alright, so
Coupler?
coupler, which is.
Right here.
Let's make sure that goes on there. Hopefully it's the right size.
Yo, what?
Yeah, I don't know what that goes.
You know what? We should just.
You got to?
I must.
Here, just get. That's the biggest thing right here. It sucks to get it in here. You got that flathead?
And then the next night.
Yeah, but we need a clamp on this. Alright, yeah, but how? It's got a hard curve to it. Alright.
It'll fit.
Where's the instruction? Alright.
As long as you believe in the Lord Jesus.
1050 X's.
Perfect.
The Chiefs only tell you that
Okay, nice.
you're a full nigga now.
Damn.
Let's go back in here.
Congratulations, you're not proud of owner of.
It's
5:30, bro. It's 5:30. Lord have mercy. That's the stock one?
This is a stock one. Do not push on valve head. Cool. What does the instructions say? Well, you know what?
Let's just point out something to the vlog real quick. One second. 6:05.
Oh, I've been showing.
605.
Man.
Not pushing the.
Non-stop dedication.
Oh man, I gotta catch one for the vids, man.
Hang on, yeah, that can come out. We good. We
good?
yeah.
Well,
Break that off.
this was just for now, because I have a better one on the way.
On the way.
On the way.
Need a light.
Oh no! Shit!
See.
Yeah, looks like it does. Maybe not.
It's 6:14 in the morning. Damn. Damn. We're pretty much done. There's just a couple more things to do, just little things. But this is pretty much it, guys. This is pretty much it. Tomorrow we're officially gonna finish, and then the first startup, and then tuning it, and then data logging, and dang, man, this is awesome, dude. Like, dang, look how big that is. Oh, man, this is crazy, man. All right, well, I'm gonna just end this video right here, guys, and tomorrow's the day. I literally don't know how to end this video right now. I am just speechless. Like, I've been sitting here for the last like 15 minutes. Like, it's 6:30. I'm just like looking like, are you serious? Like, alright, yo, tomorrow's the day. The startup, the tune, data login. I think my tune is limited to 5K, so we're not gonna have fun right away. We're definitely gonna take it easy and get this tune right. But tomorrow we're gonna finish whatever we gotta finish. It's a little stuff, I'm telling you. Well, we gotta put the fan still, but tomorrow's the day. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, all that. I have no idea how I'm gonna end this video. I'm just not gonna say anything.